In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger bubble not showing or how to enable chat heads. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So the first thing we want to do is go to the Play Store and search Messenger. We want to make sure that Messenger is updated. So we want to tap on Messenger, and if there's a update button, you want to update it. Next, after updating your Messenger app, we want to open Messenger. Now we want to tap on the three lines at the upper left of our screen and go tap on our settings. Now we want to scroll down and make sure that the chat heads is enabled. If not, if it's still not working for you, you want to toggle it disable and enable again. The next thing we want to do is to go to our phone settings, and now we want to go to our app settings. Here in our app settings, we want to find Messenger. So in this page, you can see all the settings for Messenger. Now we want to scroll down and make sure that this appear on top setting is allowed. Also, we want to go to the permissions and make sure that all permissions that Messenger needs is turned on or allowed. So that's it for this video. If my method helped you, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.